Now I'm going to explain about retronym. So the first things that we need to know about this term is that retronym is a neologism composed of the combining forms retro from Latin retro, before, plus name from Greek anoma, that means name, was coined by Frank Magnus in 1980s and popularized by William Shakespeare in the Time New York Times magazine. So what is a retronym? A retronym is a newer name for an existing thing that helps differentiate the original form or version from a more recent one. It is thus a word of phrase created to avoid confusion between older and newer types. Whereas previously, before there were more than one type, no clarification was required. Also, advances in technology are often responsible for cognate of returns. For example, the term acoustic guitar was coined with the advent of the electric guitars. Another example is analog watches were renamed to distinguish them from digital watches, once the later were invented. And the last example is push bike was created to distinguish from the motorbikers and motorcycle bicycles. Here we have some examples about this. The first example is the first bicycles with two wheels of equal size were called safety bicycles because they were easier to handle than the dominant style that had one larger wheel and one small wheel. As you can see in this image, which then became known as ordinary bicycle, like this one. And here you can see the difference between the older safety bicycles and the new one, ordinary bicycles. Another example is that prior to the 40s, dippers were mostly cloth, gauze, or cotton towels, and were fastened with safety pins. They are now known as disposable dippers, as you can see in this image. These are the dippers with cloth or cotton, and these are the new ones. Another example about returning can be the conventional ovens. Before the development of the microwave ovens, this term was not used. So to refresh again, a retronym is a newer name for extincting thing that helps differentiate the original from a more recent one.